I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle.
Hi guys, so just to start this off, I do want to say this is not my typical video, so if you are into like tech reviews and all that stuff, you can watch this one and I hope you enjoy it, but this will not be a channel for you. I am just a very small vlogger. I guess that's what you would call me. We do like lifestyle content and such, but I did want to film this unboxing of this because I am obsessed with them and I'm just like, I need more of these, so I figured why not make my own of my own experience. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm very excited. If you are one of my people, you know that I have been thinking about getting a new phone for a while now. Like I've wanted to for months, but actually started thinking about it at the end of August, I guess. And the original plan was for me to buy a new phone, you know, pretty quickly, and then give Lily my other phone, which is the one I'm filming on, because I figured this is an iPhone oriented video. I will film it on my phone. So I was going to give Lily my old phone, which is the iPhone XR. I've had the XR since it came out. I didn't pre-order anything. I bought it a couple months after it came out, but with the iPhone 13, let's go back a little bit. Okay, I decided that I was going to buy a new phone at the very beginning of September, like maybe the end of August. I was like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to finally just buy a new phone, and then I will give Lily, which is my now 13-year-old daughter, the XR. But then I realized that iPhones come out in September. So I was like, why don't you just wait and buy the next one? Because I don't, like I said, I don't buy a new phone every year. I'll have this phone, Lord willing, for at least 3 years. So I was like, why don't you just wait, buy the newest one, and that way you don't have no regrets or anything like that, because that's the kind of person I am. I would have regrets, and I definitely would have had regrets, because the main reason I want a new phone is for vlogging. I have the Canon, the G7X Mark II. I do have it, and I film a lot on it, but I like to just film on my phone. It's super simple, and especially, I think we're getting ready to jump into something that I will need just more of a quick kind of thing. So I was like, just get the new iPhone, get the bigger one. So I am getting the Pro Max. I was a little bit worried about it, but ends up it's not really, I don't think, much bigger than the phone I've got, because I already got a case for it. It came in the mail, you know, really quickly, which, by the way, there's not many good cases out yet. But I did decide to just go ahead, buy the Pro Max. That way it's got a little bit bigger screen when I'm editing, and the battery's supposed to be better, and just, so yeah, I'm excited about it. It's gonna help me on my channel a lot, I think. So I thought that we would do a little unboxing together. I will show you the camera in case you're interested in it, because like I said, I have been searching YouTube ever since I decided to buy the new one for like any updates and whatnot. And yeah, I started following a lot of tech channels here lately, which I need to unfollow, because the stuff like that makes me want to buy stuff. But yeah, it's not something that I do every year, definitely not. And I hated to spend that much money on a phone. We're gonna be real, I hated to spend that much money on a phone, but in the end, I know that you get what you pay for, and I wanted a good phone. I've had Samsung before. It was a good phone, no complaints about it, but it just wasn't Apple. I'm more of an Apple girl. I think you're just one or the other. That's just how it works out. And I am definitely an Apple girl. Yeah, I don't want to bore you in case you are just here to see the unboxing of that video. We will pick you back up whenever the UPS man brings it. It will be probably 3 or 4 more hours. I'm like a child. Like, I have, ever since the day of pre-order was terrible. I've never pre-ordered an Apple product. Or really, yeah, I've pre-ordered stuff before, but never like a phone. And I was so stressed about it, because that's just the kind of person I am. And it was easy. It was simple. I got there before the website was even opened up, so it was super simple. And then I was just worried about it getting back ordered or me not getting it today, and it wouldn't have been a big deal, but I'm impatient. So just like as soon as I saw that it was out for delivery today, I was just like, is it here yet? But our UPS doesn't run until like 4 or 5 in the evening, so I've still got a bit of waiting to do. So I'm going to find something and keep me busy, and then I will pick it back up whenever it's here. There's been a lot of traffic today.
Which one easy? Like what kind?
It's the iPhone.
The new one or old one?
It's the new one. It's just come out last month. This month, I mean. A couple weeks ago.
iPhone 11, 12 or something?
No, this is the 13. You want them?
No.
So pretty.
The camera lenses are massive.
Yeah. So this is it.
What about those?
It is quite a bit heavier than my other one, which I knew it was going to be heavier. I don't think it's much bigger. I'll show the comparison of it. That's the camera.
It's massive.
Nolan keeps saying it's massive. He's excited. He gets my old phone. I don't think I covered that.
Now I'm still looking at it.
So pretty. Ain't it? You think it's pretty? I got the gold. It's really like a cream color, but the sides is definitely gold. It is nice. It's already covered in fingerprints. I already knew that would happen though. Need to get the case and stuff that I bought and set it here.
Put that in there.
The only thing in here is just the same old with all Apple products. The little sticker.
And this is the little charger.
And this is the Sims card doohickey. And then
The little charger.
the charger.
Something like that.
And I bought little protectors for this as well, just because when I bought screen protectors, it came with little protectors for this part. I always have in real earrings, so the diamonds will scratch the glass, and I don't know if it will on this iPhone, but I know it did with my Samsung, so I've kept screen protectors. Little Nolan back here. I've kept screen protectors on it since then, so should really go put the screen protector on it.
If you didn't know what I was doing, I was looking in the reflection on the camera at me.
You looking at yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to set it up manually because there's a whole bunch of junk on that phone, on this phone, that I don't want on this phone. So I definitely don't want to take the time and energy to put it all on here when I don't want it all on here. I know it'll slowly get added back because that's how I roll, but that's how it looks in my hand. I want to go get the camera, the actual camera, record a little bit with it so that you can see the two phones, just in case you're upgrading from the XR, because I noticed in some of the comments of the other videos that I was watching, quite a few people was upgrading from the XR to this one, so I figured I would show those two side by side for those of us that don't upgrade every single year. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the screen protector and the case, and I'll be right back. Okay, so before I put the case on the other one, I'm going to take the case off of the XR and compare the two. This is the XR, and this is the, whatever it is, the 13 Pro. So this is the difference in them. There's not really much difference. Okay, so I just bought a cheap case off of Amazon. This one's just clear because I want a loopy case. I've never had one, and I really want one that I can loop around my fingers or something. I mean, I've had a knockoff for the other phone, but I want one that I can loop around my fingers, especially it's heavier, and I really plan on doing a lot of vlogging with this. But they didn't have the, what's it called, ambidextrous ones that you can use on the left or the right, and since I vlog on it, I want one that I can use on both hands. So I have to, I guess, just wait till those come out. I think I'm just going to put a pop socket on this or something, because I don't want to drop it, like, at all. And it is heavier. It's not, I honestly don't feel like that much difference to me, in my opinion. But no, I don't want to use a passcode. Yeah, it's so pretty. I almost always get the black or graphite or whatever phone, but I decided to change it up this time. I couldn't decide between this or silver, but then when I saw the reviews for the 12 of this, and it was just so much, you know, it's pretty much just like a creamy white, I just decided to go with it. So
I'm in love with and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights, but you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark.
It's definitely the feature that I am the most excited about, and that is the cinematic camera. So yeah, pretty excited about it. Looks pretty good. This is just the standard of my iPhone XR, and then is the cinematic mode of the 13. All right, but we walked back outside. So here, Nolan, come here, stand. See, and then it recognizes his face. Don't recognize mine. It's so cool, right? Think it's cool? Yeah.
All the future and what's been, guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing is stopping.
I think it looks a lot different.
Me in the night like I am leaving all the bad stuff, and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times.
So much better. I like how it's not so close now. That was my main reason for not enjoying vlogging on my phone, is because it's so up in my face, and I don't like it.
I'm leaving all the bad stuff, and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go.
And another thing that I do like better about it is the slow-mo and the time-lapse. You can only do them on the back camera on the XR. On this one, you can do it on the front facing, which it's not a big deal, but when I am doing videos, sometimes if I want little like cinematic or like B-roll kind of thing, I might want it in slow-mo or time-lapse. And to have to turn the camera and whatnot, it can be a little annoying if it's sitting on a tripod. So I do like that I can switch that around. But we are closing out this video on the XR. No, we got the XR in our hand. We're closing out this video on our new iPhone 13. I'm so excited. The mailman, I call him the same. It's the same thing, right? The UPS man came at like 1:30. He came so much earlier than usual. I was so excited. I'm still so excited. So yeah, I know this is definitely not like a professional unboxing and comparison video, but it's real life. And well, if my friends made one of these, I would be super excited to watch it. So I figured I would just share a real life, I like tech, but I don't really know much about it kind of person's point of view. I'm going to go in the house and get to editing this. I'm really hoping to get this up tomorrow. We'll see, because I know people are really enjoying these lately. I know I am. So, yeah, that is going to be it for this video. If you're into vlogs and you just came here for the review, you can stick around, but we don't do much tech stuff over here. We're just going to be honest, okay? But I am super excited about having this new phone for my vlogs. So, the main thing that I didn't like about this is how it's just like, which I already said it, but it's so up in your face when you're vlogging. With this, I can change that. So, I'm excited, in case you couldn't tell. That's going to be it for this. I hope you enjoyed it. thumbs it up if you did, whether you stick around or not. And if you are going to stick around, we will see you next time. And as always, remember to show grace, be content, and live blessed. Bye, guys.